In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice typing in Celia Keyboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and hold this microphone at the bottom right corner. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. You can pause or unpause voice typing using this button in the middle. To delete text on the go, click on this one with an X. To hide your keyboard, click on this one at the bottom right corner. To add any punctuation marks, hold this left one and swipe to the one you wish to add to your sentence. And last but not least, to stop voice typing, use this X at the bottom left corner. This way, instead of closing your keyboard, you can go back to the standard one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!